Akiheana itua riake mucirithania Douglas Igoti ningi ni athire kambuni ya kuranda mwikiro kiriha mirioni igana rimwe ria mirongo inana kuri gikundi kia uthii wa nambere wa mbeu njithi iciarita mbeca iria ciorire. Itua riri rikinyaniirio na thengia wa gukorwo Bruce Thiambo uria wari mwikariri giti wa gikundi kia mbeu njithi na Namunye Ukero uria wari murugamiriri munene gukorwo ni makuire.
The fund was not aware of both Exhibit 8 and 9, and initials on both Exhibit 8 and 9 were superimposed, and there was no evidence that accused 5 ever made any requests to the fund.
Hari ndoco no ya ciringi mirioni magana mugwanja ma mirongo iri, mirioni magana mana ma mirongo inana igiri irarugamirira thitango ya wigwatiri wa indo cia muingi undu uria ni mugaru na watho.
The conduct that constituted the offense resulted in both a benefit and loss described in section 48(1)(b). The mandatory fine shall be equal to 2 times the sum of the amount of the benefit and the amount of the loss.
Ningi Ngamau na kambuni ya kuranda ni mahuritwo ndoco ya muigana wa ciringi mirioni magana meri ma mirongo itano na inyanya ni kwigwatira indo cia muingi mugaru na watho.
The court orders that accused 3 pays compensates the Youth Enterprise Development Fund Kenya shillings 180,364,789 being the amount that would fully compensate the fund for the loss.
Uthuthuria wa cira uyu wambikirwo ni kamiti ya kurana na ungumania EACC mwaka wa 2015 thutha wa kwamukira riboti ati maabitha ya gikundi kia mbeu njithi ni manyitanire na kambuni ya kuranda kwiguna na mbeca cia muingi kuria kamiti ya EACC yendekithirie guthitangwo kwa Catherine, Bruce, Mukuria Ngamau na Dorin Ng'ang'a aria othe ni directors a Kurandam Limited.
And now we are talking about 180 million which Your Honor was paid to the accused persons without them having performed or rendered any services.
Thitango iria ciagomire Catherine na Bruce ni ciatianirio thutha wa aya eri gukua. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni wa ng'ombe wa Maina.